Hello cousins, let me show you how I make this delicious chicken inspired by PIO, a Peruvian restaurant in New York City. It's not the same recipe, but man does it give it a run for its money. Let's get right to it. In a bowl, I'm combining 2 tablespoons of adobo, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 lime that I squeezed all the juice, 2 tablespoons of oil, any cooking oil, and I'm gonna give this a good mix. This is what we're going to season our chicken with. Only 6 ingredients. I'm going to be using chicken leg quarters, just like they do in the restaurants, but if you have drumstick, thighs, or chicken breast on hand, use that instead. And I'm going to be poking holes all around the chicken legs because I'm going to be stuffing seasoning into all of these holes and under the skin. I added seasoning to all of my chicken legs, and I'm going to give this a good rubbing. If you can see, I'm poking seasoning also into the holes and under the skin, and I'm going to let this marinate for at least an hour before popping it in the oven. I'm going to add this to a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Remember to preheat your oven and set a timer. When the timer goes off, I am now going to place my chicken onto what I call the floor of the oven. If this has an actual name, please tell me the name of the floor of the oven. And this is going to go on broil for 20 minutes. Broil your chicken for 20 minutes. This is going to guarantee maximum flavor, beautiful color, and dry out some of the juices. At the end of those 20 minutes, look at our beautiful PIO inspired chicken. And I served it with some yellow rice and black beans, just like in the restaurants. I have my black beans recipe up on my YouTube channel, and if you want my yellow rice recipe, let me know. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, cousin. See you again next time.